We have to get ready because we're so close to 25, we can taste it. Okay. Your turn. Oh, it's 24.9. Okay. We're that close. Now, what is the trickiest part for you? Yes, sir.
Is that when you do it, like when you jog, and then you get ready to do
To touch my shoulders. So let's think through the order. When we start, don't forget it, please. When we start, I start where? With the jogging. Okay? I go from the that's first. The jogging arrow to the
shoulders.
okay. So we know the shoulders is in what place? What position?
Second.
What's third?
The
Adding is third, and then what comes fourth? Okay, and so we start over again with the jogging, and then the adding the shoulders, then the adding, and then
up.
up.
Down.
Up. So may I use the board? Okay. Let the brain rest. Okay. So he said, had trouble remembering where this occurs. So we're working out the order so we know what comes in what order. So, and how many sections did I say we have in this?
4. 2.
Two. So two big sections. Two big sections. And in each section, what's first?
Jogging.
Jogging. So I'm going to use a J for jogging. Is that all right? Okay, and then what's second?
Shoulders.
Shoulders. And then what's third? Adding is third. And what's fourth? So it's the waterfall. Thank you, the waterfall. So I'm going to go up to the top of the waterfall, and I'm going to, is that all right? Okay, so that didn't take as much space as I thought, so let's move this over. And so that's about how long the first section is, right? So the second, I'm gonna put, let's say, Roman numeral 1. So you know that's different from 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's Roman numeral 2. So what happens in this section? What's first?
Jogging.
Jogging. Shoulders.
Padding.
Padding. Is
Is
it a waterfall now? Is it a waterfall?
Elevator.
An elevator
goes up and down.
What, is it up first?
Down.
I can put down, and then it goes up, and then it's straight up. Okay, so straight up, and then straight back down. Is that all right?
Yeah.
So that wasn't as long either, was it? So let's move this back over. So section 1, I want you to look at section 1 and section 2. Let's see if this helps. Is there anything the same in section? Oh, I saw a hand up. See that? See, even though your brain is at rest, it's still thinking, isn't it? It's still focused. So yes, ma'am. What's the same between Roman numeral 1 and Roman numeral 2?
They both have the same number 1, number 2, and number 3.
And so what's different? Yes, ma'am.
That the waterfall and the elevator.
The waterfall and the elevator. And that's an excellent description for when we do the melodic transfer. Their words give the description. So now let's see if that helps. You had your hand those up. Was that the same issue you had? So that you think that might help?
Mine was like up, down. I was going down. I was going
So did this help clarify? It starts where?
down.
All right, so let me do this. I'm going to change colors to help us get a little visual cue. We go where first?
Down.
Then? Then?
Down.
Okay, so this comes before that. Does that help put it in your mind? So that's why this is in control. This has to be in control. Was there anything else that was a little tricky?
No.
You think this helped clarify? Well, let's see if we can get past 24.9. Would you like me to demonstrate first?
Yeah.
Yes, I'll demonstrate once. And if you want to, you can read along with that to help you. Okay, that's first. Let's actually, before I demonstrate, let's just do a practice. to the board? Am I too far from you?
No.
Good answers. All right, so I love the conducting stickers for wunderbar. So if I help here, can you walk through it or can you talk yourself through it? You go ready, free, and draw and
Shoulders.
now can we do it so how many of those do we do?
Three.
Four.
Let's try that. Is
1, 2, 3, 4.
how many?
4.
So I love the colors. Thank you for the colors. Listen to them. So I'm gonna put a little bitty circle. Circle how many here?
4.
Can you see that little bitty bar?
I can. Yes.
Okay,
I
so
can.
how many go here? Four. Thank you. Four go here. How many do you think go here? Now this has a bunch in it, but it's over how many of those? It's still 4, and those 4 are the steady beats.
The time signature must be 4 over 4.
Oh, I love your children. So the time signature must be what?
4.
You sure you're not 5th grade?
No,
But you're thinking like, thinking like, okay, so our time signature is 4 over 4. Thank you. All right, so we're talking through, you may not need me to demonstrate if you can talk through this. Ready and talk it through. Jaw, shoulders, section 2, breathe. Did that help correct it?
Yes.
Okay, do it with your eyes closed.
Okay.
Don't sing, whisper. All right, let's start together. Start again. Good. You were ready. I mean, they were ready to begin. Here we go. Try it again. Wait a minute. Ready? Close your eyes. Now, if you need to open your eyes to read, that's okay. But if you can close your eyes, that gets you beyond point 9. Ready and read with your eyes closed. Think it through. May I try to mess you up?
Sure. Yes.
Good answer. Because it's okay if you don't want me to mess you up yet. If you feel secure enough, then I can try to mess you up. Do the same thing, lip sync or whisper. Lip sync or whisper, but I'm going to make noise.
Okay.
Sure.
Good answer. Prepare. Eyes open or closed, your choice. Your choice.
Nice challenge.
Good, it's a good one. Prepare. Begin. I feel a 25 coming on. I really feel a 25. There's one little thing that will connect you into 25 land. The connection, thank you very much. The connection is when you get to the waterfall, before you get to the waterfall, you have to start where? Look at it, down at the bottom and you pop up. So what? Shoot, 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 shoot. My turn, my turn. Do this. Shoot, shoot. Demonstration. I mean, observe. My turn. Choo, choo. Do it. Choo, choo. Oh, you're ready. I can't do it. Let me just make sure you do have it. Maybe it was just a freak accident, but you got it right. Let me see if you really have it. Choo, 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 choo. One more try. That's it. 3 times lets me look. You have it. Choo, choo. Choo, choo. All right. Because it was so good, it just jumped off. So can we read and sing and get that waterfall? Choo, 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 choo. Make sure you start at the bottom. Choo, 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 choo. Okay. May I join you?
Yes.
Thank you. We're going to read, we're going to sing, we're going to 25. Now, we happen to make 26. But your choice. Now, 25 really is done with eyes closed. A true 25, you can do it with your eyes closed.
Yes.
Which means you're listening to everyone around you at the same time. Now, 24.999 is eyes open.
20.
24.999 is eyes open. 25 really is
Eyes
can do
closed.
it. Not only eyes closed, you don't need me. I can do it by myself. Or we can do it by ourselves. And I can actually go be audience and practice being a good audience. I can actually go sit and get comfortable and enjoy. Now that's a true 20. Actually, so let's try for the 25 first, okay? And let's see maybe we can do the 26 because it's gonna be at 11 o'clock in just a second.
Yeah.
Okay, so you do. Close your teeth. Open your teeth. Ready? Begin. Chumbara, 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 chum 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 chumbara, 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 chum chum chum. I mean, I want to. Do the eyes open. One time. This won't count, because this is practice. Just a practice. Close your teeth. Read it this time. And I'll try not to sing, so you can get to a 25. Ready and read. Chumbara, 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 chum 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 chumbara, 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 chum chum chum. I think you're ready for 25. I didn't. I started you off with you. You had it. Think about the first chumbara. Don't let the beat get loud, because if the beat get loud, what goes away? Not your mouth. Your voice, because the energy is in your the energy. I need the energy here. That's what she's like. I need you to listen to this focus brain. What do we need to do with the feet? What do we need to do with the feet? So say it again. What? So that whole sentence, one more time, third time, let's do it. I hear you practice it. One more time. So the focus and energy goes to our voices. Take it back, wait, take it back. Take it out. Thank you. Focus, thinking. All right, so. I like the way she has her feet in the safety zone, her toes in the safety zone. Because move forward, that's not a safety zone, because what are you going to do? Okay, so put your toes in the safety zone. Ready, and here you go.
Chumbara, 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 chum 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 chumbara, 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 chum chum chum. Hallelujah.
Now, the real test of how you can get to 26, we won't have time to do it today, is the way your teacher's videotaping you. If you can be videotaped, excuse me, because it's warm, my sign